Hello everyone, this is Crypto Maximalist. Welcome back to another video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and get involved if you like the content. We're currently running a giveaway for those who are liking our videos, so give the video a like if you want to be entered into that giveaway. So just taking a quick daily look at Polygon here, and as we can see, as we saw before, it has fallen back inside that range that it was trading in previously. You can see how much it is actually working the Fibonacci here. We pulled the fib from the high of the bull market down to this low here, and you can see all the Fibonacci levels being respected very, very nicely. You come up here, break out, back test as support on the 023. We come up, we break through the 038, basically in a range between the 038 and the 050 here for a long time. You can see it very clearly, up and down, testing the lows and the highs of this continuously for a good while here. And you can see now that, you know, basically what happened with Polygon is it came up here, broke through the 050, looking for that next resistance, the 0618, a big Fibonacci level, basically the biggest Fibonacci level in my opinion. You can see here we come up, touched it twice, and then obviously with the FTX news we roll over all the way back down inside the range, came back up for a renaissance, and now looking like we are coming back inside the range again over the past few days. As we said in our previous video, looking like we have tested for resistance here again, back inside the range, looking like we are, you know, having a little bit of a rollover again, coming back down. Now that we, you know, you can see we had this bounce to the upside, but we come back inside the range again. We retest twice as resistance, and now looking like we're probably coming back down to some of these levels of support for another retest. You'd say in these areas that we're looking at here at around 85 cents, also down to this low at around 77 cents, you would say. So interesting to see what will happen next with that. But Polygon overall, you know, in terms of the sentiment, we'd say it's looking much more bullish than most altcoins. You can see here, if I just pull this from the high to the low, it did get down to around down now around 89% there, but currently only down around 70% from its all-time high. So outperforming quite a few cryptocurrencies right now, Bitcoin included. I think it's outperforming Ethereum as well, which is interesting. So it'll be interesting to see what happens next. But as we said, now we're back inside this range. You would expect the range low to be a big key level of support being that Fibonacci level as well at 75 cents. And obviously, if we're heading back up, that 95-cent level is the target. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you everyone for watching. Make sure to check out the links in the description below to support the channel. Grab yourself some free money bonuses, like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video.